Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the damaged section and confirming the cable type. This matters because proprietary wiring differs slightly. Next, cut and strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from both sides of the break. Expose clean copper without fraying. Once done, slide an appropriately sized heat shrink onto one wire so it's ready before joining. Make sure to work on a grounded, non-conductive surface to avoid shorts and to protect the phone and charger circuitry. You now join corresponding conductors. Match colors or meter continuity to identify data versus power lines. Twist each pair, then apply flux. Solder quickly with a 1525W iron to make a bright, smooth joint. Overheating melts insulation and damages shielding. Once soldered, separate joints with thin Kapton tape if wires are close, because data lines must not touch power. Make sure the solder covers the twisted area fully, so the joint is mechanically strong. You finish by sliding heat shrink over each joint and applying even heat until it snugly seals. This restores insulation and strain relief. Then test charging first with the phone off, observe current draw, and test data transfer for sync reliability. If charging is intermittent or data fails, make sure you didn't create a cold solder joint or short between conductors. Reheat or redo the splice as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: a multimeter continuity check will pinpoint breaks before resoldering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.